Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to say hello to a cat. Approaching a new cat can be a delightful experience, but it's important to do so respectfully. Cats communicate through subtle cues, and understanding these can build trust. We'll cover how to read their signals, offer a friendly gesture, and ensure a positive first interaction. This approach helps create a strong bond with your new feline companion. When you first encounter a cat, move slowly and avoid sudden movements. Direct eye contact can be perceived as a challenge, so try a soft gaze. Extend one finger towards the cat's nose, allowing them to sniff and gather information about you. This gives them control over the interaction. Watch for a relaxed tail and forward-facing ears, indicating they are comfortable with your presence. Once a cat has accepted your initial greeting, they might rub against your hand or leg. This is a good sign. Focus your petting on their head, especially the cheeks, under the chin, and behind the ears. These are common scent gland areas where cats enjoy being touched. Avoid the belly or tail, as these are often sensitive zones. Always use gentle strokes and pay attention to their purrs or shifts in body language. To further build trust, you can offer a small, cat-safe treat. This creates a positive association with your presence. If the cat decides to walk away or shows signs of discomfort, respect their decision and give them space. Never force an interaction. End your greeting with a soft, calm voice, perhaps a gentle goodbye. This ensures a positive memory and encourages future friendly encounters with your feline friend.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.